Roman Manufacturing offers a unique alternative to traditional glass melting and boosting applications. With our quality and ingenuity, we've been able to move upstream from the glass forming process into the melting and boosting process. With thousands of installations around the world, our solution has been proven and chosen by leading glass manufacturers. Our designs of small water-cooled transformers lend themselves to furnace rebuilds as well as greenfield opportunities. We mate well and optimize with all controller capabilities to bring glass manufacturers state-of-the-art all-electric heating solutions. By installing the RoMan's solution, you'll save on capital expenses by eliminating expensive copper cable supply runs, which will save on material and installation costs. The RoMan's solution can eliminate the need for a transformer room. For rebuild situations, this frees up floor space that can be utilized for other purposes. For greenfield, it eliminates or substantially reduces building expenses. The RoMan's solution is available in self-contained cabinets or as standalone units. By dramatically shortening the copper cables, the inductance in the secondary loop is reduced, resulting in substantial savings of energy costs through a decrease in total power kVA. We can also provide water-cooled or air-cooled secondary buses. RoMan transformers are uniquely epoxy encapsulated, eliminating the need of costly filtering equipment to protect transformers from dust and debris. Because of their smaller size and weight, the RoMan solution can be close coupled next to the forehearth or near existing catwalks, helping to maintain optimum temperature of the flowing glass. We can also provide integrated mechanical mounting solutions designed specifically for your application. With more efficient electrical delivery, the vibrations in the entire system are reduced, providing increased product quality, extended electrode life, and additional energy output. The RoMan solution is ideal for optimizing the melting, boosting, and forming of glass. Our highly efficient transformers are smaller in size and lighter in weight, allowing them to be closely coupled to the heat source. This eliminates the need for transformer rooms. It also reduces electrical vibrations, increases product quality and component life cycles, while substantially reducing total energy consumption, installation, and maintenance costs. For more information about Roman Manufacturing and our products, please visit us online at romanmfg.com or contact our office at 616-530-8641.